So here's this vacuum cleaner, and the head is designed in an interesting manner. It is lifting smaller carpets like that one, and that is because this surface is continuous. It has no opening where the air should enter. So we should fix that one using a rotary tool with some teeth and make cuts, let's say, to the ends and a few here to the front. So it's lifting the small carpet. It's struggling to breathe, so let's cut into it. Don't put this one down because it will touch. That's not straight. So this is one cut. It's not too deep. This tool is vibrating heavily. That's a bit better. Okay, now let's make some here in the front somewhere. Let's see there. That's even larger. So I made 1, 2, 3 and 4 cuts into it. So it's somewhat better, but I think I can enlarge those and maybe make more cuts into it. Now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 openings. Somewhat better, but it's not perfect. Now I totally open the end, like so. I added a third one there in the center and open that one totally up also. It's not nice, but it should work better, somewhat better. It is a little bit better. Still lifting this one.